Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower.
Our journey begins with our first group meeting. We gathered to discuss our roles, who will be the cook, designer, stylist, business team, and presenter. We also talk about our chosen theme, coordinating further details in our group chat to keep everyone connected. Next, the business team led us to Bangkarohan Public Market. As we navigate through the busy stalls, we carefully inspected every ingredient. Our goal was to find fresh and high-quality foods without overspending. We touched the vegetables to check firmness, smelled the fruits for ripeness, and examined the packaging for any signs of damage. Budget was a big concern, so we compared prices from different vendors to make sure we got the best deals. This careful selection process was essential, not only to save money but also to ensure the success of our project. Through the quality of ingredients we choose, our focus then shifted to finding fruits and chicken on the other side of the market. We work hard to pick food rich in nutrients and vitamins, while still being cost-effective. When olives were nowhere to be found in the market, we headed to NCCC Mall. Fortunately, they had what we needed, completing our ingredients list. These are the ingredients we use on our healthy dishes. Unfortunately, we were not able to take photos or videos during the actual process of cooking. On the day of the examination, our designers started setting up our table with full creativity and art. At the same time, our food stylists worked on plating and presenting of our dishes, making sure everything was well prepared and visually appealing. Our dishes were created based on our theme, which is Global Food Fusion, highlighting 5 different countries. From Greece, we prepared Greek salad stick. From Thailand, we served somtam. From China, we made chicken chop suey. From the Philippines, we presented mango graham, and from Egypt, we offered lemonade. Then the judges carefully critiqued each of our dishes. Through this experience, we learned the importance of teamwork, creativity, and healthy cooking. Preparing dishes from different countries allowed us to explore global flavors while promoting nutritious meals. This project truly taught us that food is not only about taste but also about culture, presentation, and collaboration.